Hi, this is Cybler, and today I decided to do some cheat engine tutorials for the beginners. Um, I wish there was some videos when I was trying to learn how to hack with cheat engine and all this stuff and tutorials. There was some tutorials in cheat engine that were really hard and difficult to understand and keep up with it. So first, open up your cheat engine. So I'm gonna open up my cheat engine, and I'm gonna get a prompt. Okay. Once open up cheat engine, to find the tutorial for the cheat engine, go back onto the cheat engine where you first open it up. Click on a right button. Click on the right button, and then, as you can see, I have open troubleshoot. Okay, open file location, and then you're gonna open up the location of the cheat engine, which file it is. It is under local disk program files cheat engine. That's where it is on my computer. And then once you find that, scroll up or down and look for tutorials. There are two different tutorials. I'm using Windows 7, so I'm not sure which one works better, but both of them work on Windows 7. I don't know why there are two different tutorials. So I'm going to go ahead with this one. Okay, there you go. Tutorial is up. Okay, now to explain why this window is so small and minimized. Let me just move this aside here. This window is minimized to this point where so I can show you, point out certain details in the cheat engine or in the tutorial, what I'm trying to show you or explain how it works. Sorry about that. It does happen often. I have no idea why. Okay, so pretty much this window is my mouse cursor, because my mouse cursor, as you can see, I'm clicking around right now with the mouse cursor and I'm moving around and you cannot see it, so therefore I'll have to use this. Okay, the first step to do here is to find this tutorial right here in the cheat engine. So pretty much we have to open up this tutorial inside this cheat engine. Right now, as you can see, no process selected. As you can see, this computer figure here, symbol, is flashing, meaning that there's nothing selected. That's why it's flashing for. You have to click on that and then find the tutorial of the cheat engine. So click on it, process list. Now the window pops up, it's a process list. As you can see, by itself it's been selected, the tutorial. So you have to look for it. I don't have to look for it. I don't know if you have to look for it, but it's been selected, pre-selected. I just have to click open, and there you go. This tutorial has been opened in a cheat engine. The next step, well, this here just saying welcome and all that stuff, tutorial and wherever it is. I'm sure you read all these things, and I do advise you to read it all every step. If why I'm making these tutorials, video tutorials, is for those like me, like myself, that could not understand certain things when I got to the certain tutorial level or steps, where I couldn't understand or couldn't, figure out how to get through that step. This is why I'm making these video tutorials, for that reason. So the next step is click on next. Now there's a password bar here that you can click on. Usually you'll see the passwords where you can I'll show you in a second. Click on next, and right away okay, what happened here? As you can see here, the first one, step 2, exact value scanning, and says PW equals. Now the PW equals stands for password 090453. That's what I showed you before this. We came here where you can type in this password for each step to continue from that point. Or let's say if you got through these points and you really know them so well that you really don't want to go through them again, you just remember these, write it down, these passwords, and click them and type them in, and then click OK, and you're gonna be jump to the step, and you're gonna go from that point on. Okay, for this step we are supposed to find the value of the health. Alright, and when we find the value of the health, we have to change it to 1000. And after we do that, this button next will show up. Right now you can see it looks like it's in a ghost mode. You can still see the next written on it, but you cannot click on it to proceed. I'm clicking right now on it and you cannot proceed. You can skip it, but then you don't want to do that. If you're new to this, you don't want to skip. You rather just use passwords if you know how to do this or step and so on. So looking for the value of health 100. Alright, so this is where we have to type that value 100. Scan type is exact value, since we know the value is 100, and under value type 4 bytes. So pretty much it's preset. You don't have to change anything here at this point, at this step 2. There will be times where you have to change these things and find out the value of something. But right now we are looking for the exact value of 100. So 100, after you type in 100 on the value, click on first scan. After first scan, there's another button that shows up, next scan. We're gonna use that in a minute. But right now we found 43 addresses that have 100 value, of 100 value. Our next step is to hit me. I guess when you hit the button hit me, when you click on a button hit me, you lose some value. So I'm gonna click on hit me, and I lost 0.1 point on me of a value. So right now there's 99, and right away in this address I can point out that value 99. Well, since this video is for beginners, it's safe to go here and type in 99. After you type in 99, then click on next scan, like this. Okay, so I typed in 99, clicked on next scan, and I got only one address with value of 99. Now to make sure that this is the right value, I'm going to click on hit me again and see if it's going to change here as well as here if values match. Here we go. So I lost point what 49995. So 994 94 94 value matches. That's the exact address that we are looking for. So next step is double click on this address to bring this address down to this window here. That's this empty window here. Either you can click once on it and click on this red button here, the arrow, and it's going to bring it down automatically, or double click on it. Double click on it is much easier than just clicking on it and then, you know, coming down here and clicking on here. Alright, so there, double clicked on it. Now the next step is to change the value to 1000. After that, the next button will show up. Let's find out if that's what's going to happen. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. So the value under value, you have 94. You either double click on it, or you can right click on it and throughout the options find a way to change the value. But the fastest way is to double click on the value. As you can see, value 94, double click on it. There, and a window pops up, a new window that says change value, and you want to change to 1000. Click OK, and here we go. Come on, the value has been changed. But look here, my button next is, you know, open up, and it showed up, so I can proceed next. But look at this, the health is still 94. Now to make sure that, you know, just for fun, for you to see that I actually changed it to 1000, I'm gonna click hit me, and as you can see now the value of the health is 996, and matches with this one, 996. Alright, that's the step 2 of the tutorial 1. Thank you for watching, and